I will show you how to solve the problem you face when you do question from this chapter. Much the easiest way possible in almost cases. You will be given a graph and then question. We'll ask you to find the position, velocity, or acceleration and draw the new graph. There are 5 types of graph you could be given. I will explain how to solve each of them. If you are not given a graph, and then it is still the same principle. You are just given the equation. Instead, come up with your own equation. The first type is the position versus time graph. This is probably the easiest of all the other graphs because the solution to this problem will almost always include just a derivative. First, write down the equation of each segment given. Remember to use y equal mx plus p if the question asks for the velocity. Take the derivative each of the segment. That will give you the velocity. And you can put the new equation on velocity versus time graph. If the question asks for the acceleration, take the derivative for the velocity equations you just found. So you are just taking the derivative 2 times. Then you can plot the acceleration versus time graph using the new equations.